Hello everyone, I am Priyanka Pasundar, Assistant Professor IT Department. In my previous video, we discussed about minimization of sum of product using 4 variable with the help of K-map. And in this video, we discuss about incompletely specified function. It's nothing but don't care term. So we will discuss one by one. So first we discuss what is don't care condition. So the expression were completely specified for every combination of the input variable. But for some input combination, the output is unspecified. Why it is unspecified? Because the input condition are invalid or the corresponding output is not defined. It can be either low or high. So in this case, the input condition for which the value of the Boolean expression are not specified are called as don't care condition, or we can say that optional combination, or other word we say that incompletely specified function. Okay, don't care condition is nothing but the input combination for which the value of the Boolean expression are not specified. So they are indicated by the X or D in the truth table. Now see, in this example they are indicated X. It's nothing but, this indication is nothing but your don't care condition. Okay, so for example, in access 3 code, the binary state, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, it's nothing but never occur. It means that they are called as a don't care condition. Okay, so a Boolean function or Boolean expression can be described with the help of min term canonical form or max term canonical form. It means that to obtain the expression for incompletely specified function, we add two terms to specify the don't care condition in the original expression. So here D4 is nothing but your don't care condition. It's your original expression plus D of 4 is nothing but your don't care condition for that sum of product form. Okay, now we discuss this example. Minimize the following function using K-map and realize using logic gates. So in this case, D of 0 to 5 is nothing but your don't care condition. So first step, that is plot the K-map. So there are total 4 variable A, B, C, D. So here we plot 4 variable K-map. Okay, A, B and C, D. Okay, so in this case, first one, that is M0, is nothing but don't care condition. See here, D of 0 to 5, it's nothing but your don't care condition. So D of 0, here we mention don't care condition, D of 0. So it's nothing, X indicate your don't care condition. Then 2, so see here 2 is here, M of M2 is here, so your don't care condition is here also. And 5, so here we mention 5, your don't care condition is here. So after that 1, 3, 7, 11 and 15 replace with the 1. So 1, 3, 7, 15 and 11. It's replaced in 1. So it's nothing but the K-map form for the sum of product form. Okay. Now second step, there are no isolated ones. It means that there are no ones adjacent to only one other. Okay, it means 1. Now the next step, that is two chords are formed by cell 1, 3, 5. Now see here, cell 1, 3, 5 and 7. It's a one chord. Okay, considering don't care condition 5 as a 1 and cell. Okay, don't care condition. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. It means chord pair is also possible. So consider don't care condition as a 1. See here mention 0 to 5. So this is your don't care condition, and for grouping purpose don't care condition is allowed. So our first group, that is first one. So first group occur, that is with the help of don't care condition. Now our second group, they are grouped as 1 and 2. Now see here, there are no octets. The don't care condition 0 and 2 are considered to be 0. Now this is your first group and this is your second group. So with the whenever you solving this group and whenever you're solving this expression and evaluating each expression, your output is occur A bar D for the first group and for the second group CD. Okay. Now your next step, that is all ones are group. So our final expression that for A, B, C, D is nothing but A bar D plus CD. So for this output or for this expression, you have to write down logic diagram. So how to write the logic diagram? See here, next step, that is A, D. So there are total 3 variable in output, that is A, C and D. So here we mention A, C and D. So first step, that is A bar. A bar indicate NOT gate. So here we mention NOT gate with A bar, and D. So here we mention D with connected with the AND gate and A bar D. It's your first group output. Now the second group output, that is CD. So C and D connected with the AND gate. It's your second group output, and both group output is connected with the help of OR gate. Okay. So our final output, that is A bar D plus C D, or it means sum of product find out with the sum of product logic diagram always write down with the help of AND gate to connect with OR gate. Okay. Now this is the diagram for this expression. Now we solve the next example, that is simplification of product of sum form using K-map up to the 4 variable. In our previous lecture we discussed minimization of product of sum form using K-map up to the 4 variable. Okay, so always remember product of sum form is nothing but the product of sum is a Boolean expression that consists of OR term. It means sum together that are ANDed together. Okay, and whenever you perform the operation on sum of product, it's nothing but the Boolean expression that consists of AND term that are all together, AND term all together, and in product of sum OR term AND together. Okay, now see in this example, minimize the expression. See here, there are total 3 variable, that is A, B, C. So M0, M1, M3, M5 and M6. So A, B, C, it's nothing but M0. Then A, B, C bar, it's nothing but your M1. See here, A, B, C bar, it's your M1. Then A, B bar, C bar. A, B bar, C bar is nothing but your M3. Then A bar, B, C, it's your M5. A bar, B, C, it's your M5. And A bar, B bar, C bar, it's nothing but your M7. So whenever you perform the operation on product of sum, it represent in 0 format, and whenever you perform the operation on sum of product, it represent in 1 format. So here we perform the solve the example with the help of product of sum. So here we mention 0. Okay. So our next step, that is draw the K-map for product of sum form. So here we draw 3 variable K-map, that is A, B, C. So this 3 variable right here, that is 0, 0, 0 and 0. See here M0, M1, M3, M5 and M7. Now our next step, that is there are no isolated 0 in this case. So in next step we discuss there is a pair formed by cell 0, 1. Okay, it means that this 0 and 1, cell number 0, cell number 1, it's one pair. Then cell number 1, 3, 5, 7, it's your another group. Okay, now for this first group, that is cell number 0 and cell number 1, it is called as your first group. For this first group you have to write down the Boolean expression. So A plus B, it's your Boolean expression for the group 1. Now next group, that is there are each code formed by cell. Code formed by cell, it means 1, 3, 5, 7. So see here, this is also one group, cell number 1, cell number 3, cell number 5 and cell number 7. It's your second group, and for this second group you have to perform the Boolean expression, and whenever you perform this expression and evaluating this expression, your answer is C bar. Okay, now your next step, that is all zeros are grouped. See here, all 0, here we mention 0 0, all zeros are grouped. So our next step, the expression of y is, that is a plus b into c bar. It means that your product of sum consists of Boolean expression or term and that are ANDed together. Now for this expression you have to write down logic, or you have to draw the logic diagram. So here we write the logic diagram. See here, a b c, that is 3 variable. So a plus b, it's connected with OR gate. It means OR term consists of OR term that are ANDed together. So in product of sum form, OR term that are ANDed together, OR term ANDed together. So see here, a plus b OR and connected with AND gate. Okay, now your next one is C bar. So C bar indicate that NOT gate. So here C bar connected with AND gate, and your final answer, that is a plus b into C bar. Okay, now we discuss the next topic, that is conversion between sum of product and product to product of sum form. In that case, now see, in this example, a standard product of sum form can be converted to standard product of sum form by considering the missing term. Always remember, it's considering the missing term of the sum of product form as max term of the product of sum form. It means that, now see, in this example, product of sum form for the following expression using K-map, and draw the logical diagram for that. Now in this case there are total 4 variables. So plot the K-map. So first step, our plot the K-map. So the given function is expressed in product of sum form, and it can be converted to product of sum form, sum of product to product of sum form, from treating the missing min term of the sum of product form as max term to POS. It means that the given expression can be expressed in the product of sum form. It means that in your example, missing term you have to find out. So for that, missing term is 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, then 9, then 11, 12, 14 and 15. There are total 4 variable K-map. So see here, we plot the 4 variable K-map representation. So there are total 4 variable, that is A, X, Y, Z. So total 2 raised to 4, that is 16. So total 16 cells are available in this case. So first step, that is there are no isolated ones. Now the next one is there are no zeros only adjacent to the one to other zeros. Now for this we perform the group of operations. So see here, first group, that is cell number 1, cell number 3, cell number 9 and cell number 11. It's your first group. So see here, cell number 1, 3, 9 and 11, it's your first group. Then cell number 3, 7, 5, 11, it's your second group. And cell number 4, 12, 6 and 14, it's your 13th group. Whenever you solve this expression and evaluating this expression for your first group, second group and third group, your answer for first group, that is x plus z bar, then group 2, that is y bar plus z bar, and group 3, that is x bar plus z, and all zeros have been grouped. It means all zeros group perform. So expression of wxyz is nothing but x plus z bar, x bar plus z, y bar plus z bar. So for that we have to draw the logic diagram. So how to draw the logic diagram? See here, x, y, z, x, y and z. In our output there are total 3 variables. So here we write x, y and z. Now our first term, that is x plus z bar. So here we write x and plus z bar. So z bar mentioned with the help of NOT gate. So our first term, that is x plus z bar, connecting with OR gate, and this OR gate connected with AND gate. Now next one is x bar plus z. So here x bar connected with NOT gate, and this z connecting with OR gate with the help of AND gate. And other one is y bar plus z bar. So see here, y bar connected with NOT gate,